Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to close Lloyd's bank account. Now to do that, there are two main methods. The first method is to simply go and log in into your account and close your account. But the more safe method that I'll show you in this video is to simply go and talk to their customer support. And to do that, you should search for Lloyd's Bank or search for Lloyd's Bank support. And now I will go to their official website. After that, you can scroll down till you find a section which is called Call Us, just right here. Click on it. And after you click on it, when you scroll down, you'll find here that they answer 24/7 and you will get help by an actual representative. And when you scroll down a little bit, you can see also frequently asked questions. But here in my case, I will just click on how to message us. Then here it will show you this page. You can simply download their app, log in into your account and talk with their support. But it is very necessary to log in first with your account. You can also call them by phone by going to the Google and type Lloyds Bank customer service phone number, and here it will show you the phone numbers that you can actually use in order to contact with them from outside the UK. And that was the first method to do so. The second method is to simply go and log in into your bank account and click on more actions right here when you are using your browser. Then here it will show you this page and click on close account. It will redirect you to this page. And if you have any balance on your account, you can simply send this balance to another bank account. And after that, you'll have to choose the reason for closing the account. And once you finish, you can click on confirm. And that's all for today, and these were all the ways that you can close your Lloyds Bank account with. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.